Formula Student is first and foremost a learning exercise. It's an educational initiative for engineers to design, build and then compete with a single-seater racing car. There's two main categories of competitive event. There's what we call static events and dynamic events. The static events are the engineering educational assessments of the design of the car, lightweight, high speed, reliability, ease of maintenance, all these sorts of issues that the designer has to think about. And then there's of course the cost of the car and the marketability of the car. Essentially the students are tasked with giving a presentation to an imaginary board of a company that might want to manufacture their car. The dynamic events are the performance trials. The cars have to do an acceleration test over a course 75 metres long. They have to do a figure of 8. They also have to do what we call a sprint, which is basically the fastest lap of a small circuit. And then there's the endurance. It counts for more points than any other element of the competition. And it involves the cars running around for 22 kilometres. There's a driver change halfway through, so there's two drivers, and it's a great test of the overall performance and reliability, most importantly, of the car.
I've just finished the race, absolutely brilliant. It's just so much fun throwing it into those corners, feeling the back end slide out.
You're taking a whole year's work from the whole team and you're taking it out there onto the track, and that's where we want to be.
Especially get out there and say, that was my bit, and watch it go on the circuit. It's fantastic.
Just like press on the throttle and go ahead, that's it. That's the thing you feel when you're inside the car.
And get the car back proper without anything broken.
I've just loved it. I want to get back in and do some more, really.
I've never ceased to be amazed. The standard of engineering each year just goes up, and this year has been no exception. We've seen some amazing designs, some amazing cars. They just look like really professionally produced cars that top-class motorsport companies would be proud of, and these are students at university doing it as part of their course studies. It is amazing.
The actual event is a real testament to people's dedication. If you look around you here, it's awesome to see everybody working so hard at it. And it just goes to show that there are people in education today that are incredibly passionate about things like this.
It's a lot of work, a lot of enthusiasm in this car, and a lot of happiness also.
It's awesome to think that we took a collection of bits of metal, parts that we brought in, and we've created something that really is very fast.
When we started to have the car ready and started driving, it was like almost having a baby.
To us as an institution, Formula Student is an opportunity really for us to do what the institution is all about, and that's foster engineering excellence and education in engineering. Formula Student is all about making engineering undergraduates into excellent engineers.
I think Formula Student provides a learning experience that is unmatched anywhere else in any other aspect of engineering education.
It's about teamwork, it's about project management, it's about working together on a really cool project.
Formula Student gives you that chance to get involved and actually see what you're doing on the track.
What you learn in university is much more the application, whereas here you actually learn how to work as a team and deal with real life problems.
We've got to get parts for all our cars, and the industry helps us a great deal. It means that we learn how to deal with companies.
It's fantastic to work with the sponsors. They give you a lot of help, a lot of advice on the way to manufacture. They want to get involved. They like to bring in engineers to their company, so it's beneficial to them. It's like it's a great big loop.
This sort of event, it's not here for a profit. It costs an awful lot of money to organise. But because we're an engineering educational charity, we can do that. And that's what we're here for, really. That's how we add value to the engineering profession.
Yeah, the whole Formula Student experience, it has been really exciting.
It's been very, very hard work.
Interesting, technical, it's been a challenge.
Amazing, fantastic.
A lot of excitement, a lot of relief.
It is brilliant fun.
Good experience for all of us.
You get so much out of it, everybody gets something out of it. At the end of the day, everybody you see around this paddock today is walking around with a smile on their face.